आपको ये पूछना चाहूँगी कि I've seen you as a very energetic and good. We met first time जब मार्च में आपने और मैंने डिस्कवरी सेशन किया था, और वो डिस्कवरी सेशन में आपने बोला था मैं सोचूंगी, मैं करती हूँ. मैं इसलिए बोलना चाहती हूँ ये स्टोरी कि बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि जब क्लाइंट आपको ना बोलता है ना, तो मतलब इट इज एंड ऑफ द गेम. लेकिन मेरा जज्बा ये है कि अगर एक बंदे ने मेरे में इंटरेस्ट दिखाया, दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ नीड. विजिबल इनविजिबल नीड है, तभी कोई बंदा ढूंढता है. दे मे नॉट फाइंड वैल्यू, दे मे इट मे नॉट बी द राइट टाइम फॉर देम, तो वो नहीं करते. सो आप मेरे साथ जुड़े आई थिंक अक्टूबर में मैजिकली, नवंबर में भी, यस. सो फ्रॉम मार्च देन वी वेंट इनटू यू नो दैट. सो कैसा रहा आपका जर्नी, एंड आई वांट टू शेयर दैट what did the mastermind do, and now you are out of the mastermind. What's the difference between being in the mastermind and not being in the mastermind? You will be able to very honest answer.
Yeah, sure. I'll be very.
Give a reply. I'm just going to arrange for something. So keep going.
So, Jiminy, first of all, thank you so much for inviting me. Although I'm not a part of boot camp and anything, but thanks a lot for inviting me and making me a part of this. Thank you so much. Before meeting Gemini, I was searching for something, and I don't know what I was searching for, because there was no clarity, there was so much of confusion, and I was looking for way out. And then just one day I was going through Facebook, and I filled the form and we connected, and after that I became a part of Mastermind. During Mastermind, I came out of my comfort zone. That is the first thing. My comfort zone was I'm not a networking person. I never ever, I'm in Mumbai since last 10 years, but I think this is the second time I'm with some group. Second time. First time at Urmila's place, and second time here. I'm not a networking person. So Gemini made me realize what is the power of network, and without network I cannot grow. Otherwise I'm not a person of networking. Second thing what I loved about her is her authenticity. She is very blunt, very authentic. She is harsh, but at the same time she is humble. A very good combination. And I found her, she is an egoless person. She don't have ego. She don't have carry that कि मैं ये हूँ. No, she don't carry that. And I'm a person of emotion, and she handles emotion very well. So this is the second thing. So A is about authenticity and action oriented. She made me start doing my video. That is the first time I came across Uday कि मेरा photo shoot करना है. She made me कि नहीं आपको photo shoot करना है. And first time in my life I faced camera photo shoot. Second thing, she made me during the master class कि आपको वीडियो बनाना है, और यदि आप दूसरे दिन वीडियो नहीं बना के आओगे आपको आने नहीं मिलेगा. And in a day I made 5 videos. Wow. So A for authenticity and her action oriented approach. C, act. I always, whenever I talk about Gemini to anybody, I say she is a combination of act. A is for authenticity and her action oriented approach. One more I loved about her is accessibility. Generally जब कोई head होता है ना, वो अपने आप पे सिंग लगा के बैठता है कि I am somebody and they are not approachable. Appointment लो तो भी नहीं. And instead of I approaching her, she used to call me. क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ and all. So accessibility, it's very easy. Otherwise जो पैसा लेके एक बार बैठ जाता है ना, वो accessible नहीं होता है, फिर वो out of the scene हो जाता है. So I loved about she did this. Then T. She's so much careful about T is time, the most important. She's on our head always. ये करना है, इतने बजे तक करना है, इतनी देर में देना है, क्योंकि सब लोग एक्शन ओरिएंटेड तो होते हैं लेकिन उस टी के फ्रेम में नहीं लाते हैं. एंड शी मेक अस वर्क इन फ्रेम ऑफ टी. So you made it for me because I'm not a person of that कि कोई मेरे पे हावी होके काम करवा के ले सके.
That's why you came 1 hour late.
I started at 11 but 1 बजे तक पहुंचने में भी मुश्किल हुई. I'm sorry for that. But बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे जैसे इमोशनल पर्सन के साथ काम करवा के लेना. But she made me do it. Thank you so much. And what I got. What is the difference? She asked me very specifically what is the difference. When I was in Mastermind, I was with the people and I started, meeting people. बट नाउ मुझे लग रहा है जैसे ही मैं मास्टरमाइंड से बाहर आई हूँ, वो एक होता है ना कि आप जैसे लोगों के साथ जिस एनर्जी के साथ रहते हो, अगेन आई एम अवे फ्रॉम द connect. I'm again focused on my exams, my because my internship is going on. I'm doing my degree in psychology, so those things are going on 24/7. I'm busy, but because she called me, I created time and I'm here. Otherwise it's impossible to create this time. Trust me, it's impossible today to create this time.
Thank you, Nisha.
Thank you so much.